the election 2024. Now Galamsey, one of the things Galamsey nti owura na your friend Gyampo no.
Prof Gyampo.
One chere mana dia na watwe miensa akọ ne bosomi so.
Welcome to the Political Ranch with me, the voice, right here on Galamsey TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Journalists are asking the whereabouts of Professor Gyampo, aka Professor Kiss Kiss Kiss. And I'm on him. And in nickname no. Same in Amuka BBC documentary. Undercover documentary amuye or universities mu or Ghana high and say professors be or omuji if any say omuji atokpa ombo atokpa we na mark and it depending on performance say na say bo atokpa no utumi born ya na am B+, say am A ni na depending on performance e won pay and sa documentary amuye ye no nidi pie na yetin sembebre na oboni hu mrani se o ndie ba no tani amanyama ne mo ne hu dipa otimi ko Jenny stinting na and the interesting no and so that is the background of professor pen sempa donunsu or a political science professor enya dey adikitwa to become a professor in political science na sa political science professor we Prof Gyampo say ewo John Mahama ban we mu no ya man position na position ya man ye CEO of Ghana Shippers Authority. It say Professor Gyampo or a CEO of Ghana Shippers Authority. Na sa position no ni salary no nya easy nya sem kitwa ska oji at the end of every month no a bruise ska even on mampeniji Ghana Shippers Authority every month ska Prof Gyampo Gino is more than the salary of the President of the Republic of Ghana until unye president darling boy on found cause positions more unless you are the darling boy of the president. This our darling boy of the president we. Now, we kaya last year now gaso ya neutral and sensem we neutrality sensem we now ye UTAC for president or University of Ghana. Or using the position at the frustrating abai Akufo-Addo abai on the frustrating rough. Now in same people who na whole UTAC beka say oh am I en strike we dey who here say en strike. Prof Gyampo the Obeka say lie. Or sorry, Saturday and Opabia na got na TV3. Obe bashi government sa. Na ye nim say sana appointment a opese say NDC ba man appointment nti na say na ye ni na if say oh o mind don't o mind do. But we realize in the end say this man had no love for Ghana. It was love for what he was standing to gain. Right? And now amenu kasa. O sorry na otwa picture wo massage robots mo. Some massage robots no hu a hu pa.
O say me ba onu me pass wa uchen minim say onu mi ankasa meti ha minim gold there. Me gold a me hu say we ye correct gold. Kokko bia ye gold mami. Ana me wa. One chere kwala na there almost busumi.
Professor Gyampo.
Or say Ghana abanya tiso ben Akufo-Addo and declare country way or my way gold one banny gold. On chere kwala na there. On the teachers and the professors now no omuta and your mind or say yam banny. Say 2 days kura I listened to him on
declare emergency.
Professor Gyampo. Say no and na owura Mahama John Dramani Mahama Mampeni me ka NDC ni bia otie yem bia ntie ni including the national security owura Mahama can say omunim campaigns na etai gold na chi no na wo mo ayachi wo mo akogu nsanwa mu ne de omu de omu ye nkwala nketenkete bi nti oba obeja wo mo oba ye yachi nkwala 100 ana me boa One more akana yantimi anchichi womu no ya bo body pankunu tueku womu. Mienu sa watakwa ya bo womu tueku womu. So all the things are all prescribed here within 2 months, you know. What dismantle or one in Yaman in Shishaya or one Kasashishayan, what dismantle Nina. Because we see him kimping soon, and Qualana woman and your Munya Bonibia, 100 Namukochi woman. Akufo-Addo Eddie Asrafo Koye say Munchichi na to the extent that they were so strong, so firm on the people in the bush, to the extent say even NPP women organizer all year responsible mining now no one kasa won the mining lease or won the concession crowd mu ko share ni niama e shi ni excavator mewa na NDC chairman na also
na ko bisa baku bia boa $10,000 baku bia $10,000 na Prof Gyampo no sa video sa pictures I take here no if you mienu o sa mienu $20,000 and if you take the exchange rate of $1 is to 15 Ghana cedis no when we say that 20,000 we have to multiply it by 15 2 times 15 and then 30 30 and now the remaining 4 zeros I will now the account about then 300,000 Ghana cedis. And now in the old currency, 3 billion. And it's a professor, no. You see what pictures are. The picture mono 3 billion machines and a massagino. It will feel or dem man or dem say or ye kiki sa. And because or enjoy your children, no. You see what make a Galamsey assembly. What make a Prof Gyampo. Galamsey ne kosu pa o. E kosu ankasa. Now, who Prof Gyampo, you are aware that Galamsey is at an all-time high in Ghana right now. Prof Gyampo, you were part of the people that were asking, say, Akufo-Addo should ban even responsible mining. You were part of the people. You refused to lecture your students for almost a month. Almost 1 full month. Prof Gyampo say on chradie. I don't know on chradie. I see Galamsey nti. You nyaminji yo. Obinyani mi o. Say da yo obinyani mi o. Tanyum na otu. Prof Gyampo. Enne. Uwa ban mu. Uge CEO. Ukasa John Mahama betie bi. Ukasa John Mahama His Excellency obetie. How far? How be market? Galamsey no because our waters are getting destroyed. People are dying. Shenanse. Nanu a policeman. Muko operation on Galamsey area. He drowned. He died. A lot of people who call Western region, doctors are forced to stimulate abortion for some of the women because of the deformities Nkolano were having in the womb. Prof Gyampo unkasa. Ayedin. Now you have a V8 sponsored by the state, saloon car account, rent allowance, a tiawu driver, a tiawu maid. The lives of the common Ghanaian does no longer matter to Prof Gyampo because your mouth is full. Too much money. Swimming in money, swimming in luxury. Prof, many of us look up to you. Someone kasapa there. Then you have no moral right whatsoever. Say government we are buying way, incompetent government way. When they are out of power, to come and say any other word about anyone not performing or anything, because Prof, you are compromised. Extremely compromised. We do not trust you any longer, Prof. We don't trust you. Not even a bit. No iota of trust for you any longer. This has been the Political Round with me, the voice right on Ghana 7 TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share. Turn on the notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Then bye-bye, cheers. See you in the next one.